Many American pastors die and burn in hell. Why? They quit preaching, they stop preaching when there's Super Bowl Sunday. They're not even open church, some of them. And some of them, they go to church that day, some of the pastors, but in their heart, they're worshiping the Super Bowl, the football player, basketball player. All those have no part in heaven because they love those people. Those people become their idol. They not love God. You have to change your heart and come to God. Believe in Him, worship Him, love Him. Not love the basketball player. You cannot love football player. Whatever you love the most, that is your idol. You're worshiping them.